Today, we are learning about the letter V, and the sound is made V, just like in the word van. Let's say it together. V is for van. V is for vat. V is for vest. And V is for violin. Let's try and say it with sound. V, van. V, vat. V, vest. V, violin. Great job! So let's learn together and have fun.
Van, van. Van, van. Vest, vest. Vest, vest. Vet, vet. Vet, vet. Violin, violin. Violin, violin. Van, vest, vet, violin. Van, vest, vet, violin. Van, vest, vet, violin. Van, vest, vet, violin. Is this your van? Is this your vest? Is this your van? Is this your vest? Is this your vet? Is this your violin? Is this your vet? Is this your violin?
Thank you so much for your watching. Keep learning and stay smart. Just don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe TonLife. Goodbye from TonLife. See you again soon.